Hi everyone, welcome to chemistry class. Today I want to discuss Lewis dot structures. Let's learn how to draw the Lewis dot structures. Before you have to draw the Lewis dot structure, first see the definition of the Lewis dot structure. So you can call like that Lewis symbols or Lewis dot structure. So this is very useful to 10th class students. So the valence electrons in the atom of an element is a short form or short notation by Lewis symbols or Lewis dot structures. Let's see some examples. The first element, hydrogen, no, that hydrogen, it has only one electron. Hydrogen has only one electron, so that indicate like this, the atomic number 1. So it has now only one electron. We can write like the Lewis dot structure here. The hydrogen, you should keep one dot only, so you can draw like this also. So this is called Lewis dot symbol, right? Let's see the second element, helium. It has atomic number 2. The electronic configuration is 1s2. It has 2 valence electrons. 2 electrons are there in outermost shell, so that's why we have to keep 2 dots. Next one, lithium, Li. The atomic number is 3. That is electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1. That's why in outermost shell we have considered as outermost valence electrons only. ఎక్కడైతే outermost valence electrons ఉన్నాయో వాటిని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ valence electrons కింద కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. సో హియర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, దట్స్ వే యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ వన్ డాట్ ఓన్లీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ వన్ డాట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, beryllium. So beryllium, its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. So that's valence electron. Valence shell is a 2s2. It contains 2 electrons. That's why I have to keep 2 dots. Right. Next, boron. Atomic number is 5. So that electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. Its valence shell is, the outermost valence shell is 2s2 2p1. It contains 3 electrons now. That's why I have to keep boron and 3 dots. Next, carbon. Carbon 6, atomic number 6, and its valence electron 1s2 2s2 2p2. The 2s2 2p2 is the valence shell, no? That's why you should draw that. Carbon symbol, first you write the symbol and 4 dots. How many dots? 4 dots are there. 4 electrons are there. The 4 electrons indicate like this. Next one is nitrogen. Atomic number 7, 1s2 2s2 2p3. So in this valence shell is 2s2 2p3, no? So it has 5 electrons. That is nitrogen. And 5 electrons means the 5 dots indicate 5 dots. 1 2 3 4 5. You have to keep anywhere, no problem. And see, let's see oxygen, no? That is oxygen 8. First write the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4. So in which is the valence shell? 2s2 2p4 is the valence shell, no? Right. So it has 6 electrons. That's why I have to keep how many dots? 6 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to write one more 2 electrons. Let's see. The next element is fluorine and neon. So I want to write the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5. In this 1s2 2s2 2p6. Then let's see The symbol of fluorine is F. So how many dots here? The valence shell is 2s2 2p5 is the valence shell. It contains 7 electrons. That's why I have to keep 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, the neon and one more element, neon. Atomic number is 10 now. At electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6. That's here right. The valence shell is, that is the first A group element. That is the first group of element. Beryllium 2A group element. Boron 3A group element. Carbon 4A group element. Nitrogen 5A group element. Oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's why the 6A group element. Next, fluorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, no, that's why the 7A group element. Next, 8, it has 8 electrons, that's why this is a 8A group element. And here, so helium, it is a stable of electronic configuration because of it is 2 electrons with stable, that's why the 2 dots, that is this is also 8th group element. So except of helium, so this is obey the duplet electronic configuration. It has duplet electronic configuration. So so this is the 8th group element, right? Let's see, I want to write some more elements. Sodium 11, magnesium Mg, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, right? Let's see some more examples. The Lewis dot symbols. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1, right? So here the valence shell is 3. This is the first shell, second shell, and this is the last shell is called valence shell. No, it has only one electron, that's why symbol is Na. You have to keep one dot only, that's why it has only one dot, that's why its group number is 1A group, right? Next, magnesium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Its valence shell is 3s2, so it has 2 electrons, that's why I have to keep magnesium, you have to keep 2 dots, 1 2, right? So it's the group number 2A group because of its 2 dots. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1. It has 3 valence shell. 3s2 3p1 is a valence shell. It has 3 dots, 1 2 3, that's why this is a 3A group, right? Next, silicon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2. This is a valence shell, the silicon symbol, right? It had 4 dots, 1 2 3 4, that's why this is a 4A group element. One more, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3. It has 5 valence electrons, so phosphorus we should keep 5 dots, 1 2 3 4 5. So which group? This is a 5A group, right? So based on like you have to write some more elements. Right, let's see. This is a noble gas of elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Their electronic configuration 1s2. Neon electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6. So in this valence shell is 6. In this valence shell 4s2 4p6. In this valence shell 5s2 5p6. In this valence shell 6s2 6p6. So I want to introduce one trick to recognize the number, identify that number. So it is atomic number is 2. For example, already know periodicity. So the first period contain 2 elements. The second period has 8 elements. No. So when you get a 2 plus 8, you will get 10. So the 10 is the atomic number of neon. Then third period contain 8 elements. This way 10 plus 8 you will get 18. So argon atomic number is 18. Next, fourth group element, that is 18 electrons are there. This way 18 plus 18 you will get 36. Next period element having 18 elements. So 36 plus 18 you will get 54. Next period element is 32 elements are there. So 54 plus 32 will get 86. So based on this trick, you have to use the trick. You have to recognize, you have to identify the atomic number of these elements easy way. So this is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So I want to write that in this group of elements. So Lewis dot structure. Let's see. So helium, it has 2 electrons are there, no? So outermost valence also 2. Thus we have to keep 2 dots. So this it has only 2 dots, and remaining of elements are having 8 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because of 8, here also 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Same like that. In these group of elements having 8 dots, right? So in these group of elements is called octet. It's obey the octet electronic configuration. Octet electronic configuration. In these group of elements having octet electronic configuration except of helium. This is the duplet electronic configuration, right? Thank you.